Mayor Patrick Brown here for an exciting announcement, and I'm joined by Sandy Graywall from the Brampton Marathon Committee, a regional councillor Gurpratap Tour, and Deputy Mayor Harkirat Singh. We are so excited to announce the 2024 Brampton Half Marathon, which will embody our city's dedication to health and fitness and community spirit, and is generally sponsored by BVD. You know, marathons can become the best charity fundraiser imaginable. You look at other cities, the Toronto's, the Ottawa's, major runs, but it started with a great idea. This is that great idea. This is a charitable run that's going to rally the community behind raising funds for great causes, but also encourage wellness, encourage healthy living. You know, we have one of the busiest hospitals in the country, and one of the ways that we can reduce our reliance on the hospital is to encourage active, healthy lifestyles. That's what running's about. That's why the city believes so passionately in active transportation. Well, the reason we just purchased the Brampton-Orangeville rail line is we want to make running trails everywhere in the city. And to have a goal in mind, it's a big motivator. I've run a number of marathons and half marathons, and whenever you sign up for one, it motivates you to get on a routine and start running. And so we're hoping Bramptonians, and frankly anyone in the GTA, will sign up for this. Set your goal, set your target. You're going to support a great cause, and I love to look at our running trails around the city and see people running around to get ready for this May 26 marathon. And let me say, this is for all walks and abilities. You know, the beautiful thing about a marathon is you could have someone participating in a marathon who's 100, and you can have kids who are just teenagers. There's an opportunity for everyone. There's a half marathon, 10K, 5K. Participants of all ages and abilities can find their stride in a supportive and encouraging environment. There's something special about a marathon environment where everyone cheers on each other. It's just an incredible environment. I'm pleased to highlight the community engagement that surrounds this event. Local businesses and volunteers came together to support our runners, providing not just logistical support, but also moral encouragement. This event is a fantastic opportunity for our residents to engage with each other, cheer on their neighbors, and enjoy a day of healthy competition and community bonding. Moreover, early registrants will receive special incentives, including a free t-shirt and a bag, and I urge you all to sign up. By participating, you help promote a healthier lifestyle and engage with our community in a profoundly meaningful way. So let's lace up your running shoes, challenge ourselves, and together make the 2024 Brampton Half Marathon a landmark event. I dream of one day where they talk about the Brampton Marathon in the same way they do with Mississauga or Toronto or Ottawa, these iconic running events. So for more information, register at the Brampton Marathon's official website. Let's run towards a healthier, more active Brampton. And Sandy Graywall, who's helping organize this, is going to share some remarks on behalf of the organizing committee. And let me just thank Regional Councillor Tour and Deputy Mayor Singh. They immediately said the group organizing this represents some of the best of the best in our city who have a heart towards helping others. And they were so excited by this organizing committee because of the caliber and the character of the individuals involved. And so the city's really proud to rally behind this and promote this because we know this is set up for the right reasons. So Sandy, over to you.
Good morning. My name is Sandy Garwell. I'm here on behalf of Inspirational Steps, along with my other colleagues, each representing the different organizations under the umbrella of Inspirational Steps. First, we want to thank the press for coming out, especially so early, to receive this message. You play an important role in getting our message to households across the city. Secondly, we would like to address the City of Brampton, Mayor Patrick Brown, Deputy Harkirat Singh, and Gurpratap Tour, along with all of the City Council, Peel Police, and the Regional Peel officials and supporting staff. Thank you for your unwavering support in providing resources and ensuring smooth and quick coordination efforts in planning this event. And thirdly, we would like to thank BVD Group for their generous support and for coming on board as our title sponsor this year. Inspirational Steps is comprised of 6 organizations: Unlike Kids, Guru Gobind Singh Children's Foundation, Sahayata, Drug Awareness Society of Toronto, the Shield Society of Canada, Pingalwada Society of Ontario, Toronto Pearson Airport Runners Club. With their mission centered around helping children and those living in poverty, education, environmental initiatives, providing necessities and shelter to destitute, drug awareness and prevention and empowerment, humanitarian aid, and health and mental well-being, all centered around the core principles of compassion, love, and service to humanity. Inspirational Steps has been holding this event for over a decade, with it seeing a major growth last year with over 800 participants and 1,000 attendees. Our first mission in this event, stating the obvious, is getting people active and outdoors. With the accelerating rise of health ailments like diabetes and mental health issues, we feel this is the perfect opportunity to inspire people to get moving and eventually help build momentum where they start to incorporate physical activity into their daily lives, especially for our children, involving them when they're young, where they can help them build strong and healthy bodies and minds for a good future. Secondly, we aim to build a positive community spirit. By bringing people together of all ages and backgrounds, we are promoting the spirit of unity, strength, and compassion. We aim to inspire volunteerism, if not with these organizations, but wherever their heart desires, to offer their time and lend a helping hand, making a positive impact in someone's life and in their community. This year's marathon is a step towards putting Brampton on the map, making it eco-friendly, and over time growing it, like Mayor Patrick Brown had mentioned, into a world-class marathon, attracting the masses to attend and participate to help boost Brampton's tourism and the economy. Although we are organizing this event, it belongs to everyone. We hope you will take this message away to your audiences and appeal to them to participate personally. Come out with your families, co-workers, friends, or yourself and create memories and momentum. There's something for all ages and for all levels. I would like to conclude by thanking our sponsors for supporting this marathon, and we expect their ongoing support in the future for our ongoing initiatives, and of course, we are grateful to our volunteers for the time and dedication. Again, I would like to thank City Council for your unwavering support and providing this platform for all of your time and your consideration. BVD's Brampton Half Marathon will be held on May 26th from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Terry Fox Stadium inside Chinguacousy Park. People can register online at www.bramptonmarathon.org. Thank you so much for your time.
I know Sandeep and Paul wanted to have some wrap-up comments, and then we can take any questions there may be. So maybe Paul and Sandeep come up here.
Thank you, everyone. And if media has any questions, we would love to answer if you have any.
Is the marathon is any age category or it's open for?
No, it's the marathon, half marathon, it's open. But we have everything, as Sandy has mentioned, we have everything for everyone, starting from like 400 meter for the young kids, and then 1 kilometer for youth and senior. Then we have 5 kilometer for everyone that's non-competitive. Then we have 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and 21 half marathon as competitor. So we have for everything from every age to every age, from like whoever can walk. Last year we had as young as few months old baby that Paul was carrying in his lap. So we have something for everyone. And plus, it's a community event. It's not just for only the runners. It's also, we want, like, as Sandy has mentioned, Mayor Patrick Brown has mentioned, we want everyone to join. There will be something for everyone. If not, we can have a cup of tea together. We can chit-chat. We can talk about the betterment of Brampton, how we can make this event more successful, more better. We want your input from anyone to everyone to make it successful. And as Sandy and Mayor has mentioned, we want Brampton going out for positive things, like one day as world-class, marathon host.
So it says from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. So it's the timings that the children are going to walk at this time, or the seniors are, or is there?
Yeah. So how this is the total time of the event. Different runs start at different times. Because there is a half marathon which takes longer to finish, so which starts at 7:45. We will open our registration desk at 7 o'clock. The first run starts at 7:45, but the other runs, they start at 9:30. So if kids who are small kids, they take longer to get out, they can come later at around 9. The kids itself, the 400 meters that, as Sandeep mentioned, and 1K for seniors and youth, they are after the run is over, so around 10:30 or so. So
Okay.
Let me make it more clear because as Paul said, the registration desk will be there, but that's only for non-competitive. Because for competitive, we have to basically order the chips that will be attached on your bib, and we have to program them with your name, chip, and bib. So non-competitive, they can register on the spot for 5K. Then we won't be able to register them for a 10K or half marathon or 5K competitive because we want it do it proper way. So they cannot, the competitive ones, they cannot register on the spot. Sorry, yes.
Paul, how do you hope to see this grow for competitive and dedicated runners?
Well, I mean, we have seen this from last year to this year. I mean, how the different charities came together, and so we got quite a bit influx of people last year because when we see different people from different age groups, different classes, different communities, they came together. So we spoke to city, we spoke to yourself. Thank you and Gage for this, for showing us a path. Thank you, Mayor Brown. So city came along this year. So we had a conversation about a marathon, but because it's an experiment for us, a learning curve. So we're starting with a half marathon, going forward to look at how we do it this year, what we need to do more, and then go on to a full marathon next year. We may have to find a more scenic routes for, as we have seen in Mayor Brown mentioned other city. We would like to take it to even next level, actually. We want to take it to a New York level or a Boston level. Maybe try to bring it to a top 6, which is currently in that elite class marathon groups. And is it possible? Of course it is. People in those cities, they are people like us, dedicated people who are working behind the scenes. We need full city support, there's no doubt about it. We need full police support in this. We need Peel region behind us. So yes, we can do it, and I think we will do it next year. I'm pretty sure we'll start working on it right after this is over.
And Paul, I would say the key thing for this to be successful, and we already have tremendous community goodwill, it's turnout. As numbers grow, there's more you can do. You can have more road closures. You can have longer runs. And so we want to build this. It's not going to happen overnight, but I think with the individuals involved, this can be a great run that's part of the running series in Canada. And part of the beautiful thing about a run is that as it grows, you can start to showcase parts of your city that people don't know about.
Exactly.
So there's a real tourism element. There are some hidden gems in Brampton that I'd love for runners everywhere to see. So this is the start of something beautiful in our city.
And we can also share, we have already close to 500 registrants. So it's not like, the people who have attended last year, they were eager, they were calling us, when you are, bringing this back, when it's happening again. So they have already, we have close to 500 that's already been registered. People are filling their forms to volunteer online. So it's only matter of, how you will spread the message and how well you spread the message out, how well you take it from here, as Mayor Brown has mentioned or Sandy has mentioned, right?
Proud to support and promote the Brampton Half Marathon, which will be on May 26th, a great charitable run that encourages public health and wellness. So get out, lace up your shoes, and let's get running for a great cause.
Hanji, hello ji, sat shri akal, and hello to everyone. My name is Paul Baines. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ represent ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ organizing committee inspirational steps ਵੱਲੋਂ, as you see on my shirt. Well, as everybody mentioned that we are hosting a Brampton half marathon. ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. We have been doing small runs as different organizations in city of Brampton ਪਿਛਲੇ 10 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ. ਐਤਕੀ last year we came together. We did a run under inspiration step ਐਤਕੀ. As mentioned by Mayor, that we are doing it together with the city, with the police, with the region of Peel. ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ actually this is a run. This is called marathon, but ਮਕਸਦ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈ. ਮਕਸਦ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈਲਥ ਦਾ. ਹੈਲਥ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਹੈਲਥ, ਹੈਲਥ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਮੈਂਟਲ ਹੈਲਥ. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂਟਲ ਹੈਲਥ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਦ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹਿਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ ਇਟਸ ਕਾਲਡ ਇੰਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਟੈਪ ਯੂ ਗੈਟ ਇੰਸਪਾਇਰਡ ਯੂ ਟੇਕ ਯੂਰ ਸਟੈਪ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਦੈਨ ਇਟ ਬਿਕਮਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਆਫ ਯੂਰ ਲਾਈਫ ਤੇ ਹੈਲਥ ਵਜੋਂ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਰ ਚੈਰੀਟੇਬਲ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਕਰਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ everyone have their own agenda behind it there is a big cause ਕੋਈ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਕੋਈ এনवायरमेंट ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਵਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਕੋਈ ਡਰੱਗ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਡੂਇੰਗ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ so every step you take in an inspirational step is helping someone you may or may not know but you are doing a great charitable cause for the humanity please come out join us register through a website or call one of our organizers if you have an issue with finding where we are our phone numbers are on the flyers are on the ad so please come out bring your kids bring elders bring seniors because it's very important for seniors to come out from a mental health point of view it's important for kids to come out they start early in their age they will stay fit as mentioned by Mayor before that we have a lot of burden on our hospitals and healthcare we want to reduce that burden this is the way to go so please come out and join us thank you and have a great day